How to fix Windows Update error code 80072F8F in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, right-click on Start and click on Run. Type the following command and press OK. Open Internet Time tab. Click on Change Setting. Check this option. Select timewindows.com and click on Update Time. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first right-click on Start and click on Run. Type the following command and press OK. Open Advanced tab. Uncheck these two options and press Apply and then OK. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.